we're having an issue with our Hisense heat pump tumble dryer with the seal here. This seal is rubbing on part of the door under here, and it's wearing away. And I noticed about a week ago that this was appearing here, and it's been getting bigger over the past week. Obviously with the door opening and closing on it, and the door itself vibrating against the seal when it's in operation. Now this here, if I rub my finger across the top, there is a ridge. I can feel a ridge in this area at the back, just behind where the materials rubbed away. There's a ridge on there, so it's rubbing. Something's rubbing on the door here, and I've contacted Hisense, who requested pictures of this issue and a description, and are trying to say it's accidental damage. This is wear from the door. That's not accidental damage. That is behind the door anyway, so that can't get damaged by anything. In fact, there's wear marks on all of this here. You can feel it. It's rough, and there's bits wearing away. There's a black line on there, which I assume corresponds with this black rubber stuff on the bottom of the door. So not a good impression so far with their customer service, and I want to get this issue resolved.